Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Fisher brand, the Chef's Naturals Chopped Pecans. This is a 24-ounce bag. Very good value, you get a lot here. It's naturally gluten-free, there's no preservatives, and it's non-GMO. So this is 24 ounces of chopped pecans, and that's about 5.5 cups. These Fisher pecans, they had a rich buttery note and a delicate texture to desserts, salads, main dishes, and appetizers. As I mentioned, no preservatives, no gluten in here, Non-GMO Project verified. It's also American Heart Association certified and vegetarian. It's grown in the southern United States and also Mexico. And this has a fresh lock seal in there to keep these totally fresh. Freeze them and they will last about almost a year and a half, almost 2 years. I've opened them up and they're still fresh. And you could transfer them to another container or keep them right in this container. I'm going to show a close-up of the texture of these. These are great when you make biscottis and other cookies and you want to add some protein and no carbs. This is the best way to do it. So I'm going to show a close-up of this. As you can see, it's a nice blend of, some are relatively large, maybe an inch, and most of them are smaller little pieces, but you can crunch them up further for your recipe, but they're absolutely have a delicious flavor to them, very fresh. So what do I think of the Fisher brand, the Chef's Naturals Chopped Pecans, 24 ounces? I think this is a great value. These are really delicious. I've tried 2 other brands of pecans, and for me, the Fisher brand tastes the best. And it lasts the longest in the freezer. So I love this product, and we use it all the time to make homemade cookies, low-carb cookies. I'm going to give this a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.